Okay, so everyone has been doing that prank where you put noodles in your mouth and ask someone to crack your back and then you crunch the noodles so they think that you broke your back or whatever. I got this fart app and I'm gonna be holding it in my hand. He's gonna expect it's just a dumb prank and then you know what's gonna happen. Hey Robby, come here for a sec.
Could you crack my back for me?
Oh, absolutely. How do I just... Okay, ready? 1, 2, it.
I didn't crack.
Did you just fart on me? He farted on me! Oh, it's in my mouth.
Dude, it didn't even crack. You gotta do it.
I'm dying.
You gotta do it again. Come on. My back, dude. Oh, my back hurts so much.